Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. 2 rifles amongst illegal weapons found in Westmoreland. Westmoreland is like going to have another plan when they're going to go into war. See the families and friends, Westmoreland, Jamaica, the JCF and the JATGF, the Joint Anti-Task Force for the gang them, running in a Lennoxburn, Big Wood, Westmoreland, Jamaica. It look like I know they would alone big there, cause them have some big brand new gun but run out pan them. Westmoreland, Jamaica. A major operation by the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force now underway in Lennox, Bigwood in Westmoreland has led to the seizure of at least 2 big long guns, 2 firearms, including a high-power rifle. Lennox, Bigwood forms part of the largest township of Darlingston, the rampant that instant, because the police from the source has told Deep Roots TV, said that there has been a recent upsurge in criminal activities in the community. On February 3rd, the police reported that thieves stole an automotive teller machine. The automated teller machine was taken out of the service station, Darlingston. The thieves breached the machine and stole an estimated $8 million. You all gonna take the man them eat the food. I'm not trying to be rude. Think some money if you sit down in a box and boy hungry and you take man for stooge. Meanwhile, on Tuesday afternoon, thieves challenged the police after robbing a supermarket in the communities of over $2 million. At $10 million them gone now. A civilian was injured in the crossfire. You're lucky at only that. What about the live wire? The police source added that there has been an ongoing operation and them find the big long thing them. Good thing nobody never run out upon them. No one was arrested. Now me tell you, see a Babylon invent crime. Chronics told you a long time. Government invent crime. So what they do, they perpetuate so the crime can continue if you go straight. Me not talk about Ben. No dipping it. Every year are the same thing. All good Mandeville. Good St. Elizabeth. Good Hanover, Westmoreland, where pay and me used to leave and go pick up down there. Big up yourself, all the farmer. Not bringing down any new drama. Them place they mash up. Because the quenga them roll out from town and gone down a pen. You are gonna tea, I'm not talking about no place pen. Big up yourself, all of my people them in the country area. And more life, more joy, more happiness. I am reporting live. Cause you know Rasta not take no bribe. That 2 illegal guns were seized in a joint anti-gang task force operation. Me a talk about the JATGF. You are gonna see the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force in Lennon, Bigwood. Me a talk about Westmoreland. Them say the Anti-Gang Task Force roll out. And in that Lennox, Bigwood area there, in a Westmoreland, them find 2 firearms. One of them include to be something we make you lay down panny land. A high-powered rifle found. This is one we make a whole community stifle. Lennox, Bigwood form part of the largest township. Them say I in a Darlingston. Hey, bad man place. Them say nothing nowadays. Police was stole Deep Roots and said recent surge in criminal activities are reason why them round there run a operation. Yeah. Them say February 3rd. Them say the police them say The man them run in for one local place and take with one ATM machine and take with 8 million out of that. A little bit drop. Them they want make it up to the top to 10,000 because that was the goal. Them money in a hole. So them run up in the blouse and skirt supermarket and rob the next community over $2 million. Them say them quang one civilian. You are gonna take. Cause them did want stop the million. In the crossfire, a civilian seems to have accidentally been taken out. Cause me know say them money in a Westmoreland. And the money them all about. Ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button. I'm reporting, taking it lightly, because them Jamaican ya we queng you for spitey. More life, more joy, more happiness. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. Build up the Rastaman panel. That's the only way you'll be a part of the Rastaman channel. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Deep Roots TV. More life, more joy, and of course, more nappiness. Yeah, y'all forget the nappy. Nappy. And me got the. Me got the nappiness, people. More life, more joy, yeah? More happy. Be that. Happy, nappy.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the rain. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier and fire king. Yeah, bang.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.